We are pleased to show you the 2018 NV Passenger. The NV Passenger is a mixture of functionality, efficiency, and performance. It also provides the ultimate flexibility in both seating and cargo space. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.